Buhay. Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. On our way to our cottage in beautiful Eden Nature Park. Eden Nature Park. If you've seen my YouTube channel, you've probably seen some videos from here from previous years. I like to come here every year because it's a special place to me. Now that we're moving, it's feels nice and cool. But this is beautiful. 80 hectares of land with all kinds of beauty. Now that cottage right there, or this cottage right here, they don't look very big at all. But inside, there's a lot of room inside. I guess we're staying around here. There's a lot of room in there. Beautiful view on the outside. Thank you. And I didn't know we were going to stop this quick. But maybe we still have time to show you what it looks like inside there. The view is beautiful, but they look very, very small. But inside, plenty of room. Kind of surprising. Whew. Oh, it's going to be nice when it gets a little cooler. Does that feel good? Now they got 2 beds. Of course, we'll put them together. Oh my. This is our cottage. I think they're all pretty much the same. Whoops. Watch your step. Got a shower. Got plenty of towels. Toilet. Mirror and all that. Coffee. Hopefully there's some... Nope, no water in there, hon. There's a bottle of water here, but we'll have to keep that cool. I don't know if everything's plugged in here or not. Make sure I don't walk through this. This is our view from behind the cottage. Now there's a screen. Let's see. And I suppose this opens, but maybe it doesn't. Just got here. Okay, yeah, this slides open. This is right outside where we are staying. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's lovely. Very lovely. Of course, you're in Eden Nature Park.